Hey everybody, happy Friday. We are officially through 3 weeks of online learning, and unfortunately, we are going to be starting even more weeks of online learning. Because of that, it is very important that we make sure that you know all of the fourth grade standards. So starting today, you will be seeing new skills, new content that I have not yet taught to you. I am going to be posting many videos and many practice sites to help you with this. So it is more important now than it has ever been for you to make sure that you are watching the entire video. So that way you understand what the new skills are. So we're going to start out kind of light here on Friday. We're going to talk a little bit more about angles and how we measure them using a tool called a protractor. If you notice right here, which your screen might be a little bit different because I still have more assignments that I'm going to add, like your 4 O's. But you are going to be watching 2 separate videos. They're both about 9 minutes each. You're going to want to watch the video first, and then you are going to take a quiz on what the video covered. If you pay attention to the video, these quizzes are not that difficult. You will be able to answer the quiz questions successfully. But today we are going to focus on using a protractor to measure angles. We know angles can be acute, right, or obtuse. We also know greater than 180 is called a reflex angle, but we're not going to be talking about those right now. So I am going to show you a website that I'm going to take you to possibly on Monday or Tuesday of next week, where they give you a protractor to use on the screen to then measure the angles. So the first thing you want to look at this angle is you want to ask yourself, is this acute, right, or obtuse? And right here you can see that the mouth is very tiny, so we would call this an acute angle. It's greater than 0, but less than 90 degrees. When I take my protractor, this middle point right here where my 2 rays meet is called a vertex. And that's where I'm going to want the middle of my protractor to sit. Notice one line goes through 0 degrees. That is very important. By the way, I just called it a line. I should have called it a ray. And then the other ray goes through actually 2 numbers. And it's kind of hard to read. So I'm going to pull my protractor over again to see if I can see what those numbers are. Oh, those numbers are 60 degrees or 120 degrees. Now, because I know it's an acute angle, only one of those numbers makes sense. It would be the 60 degrees because 120 would be obtuse. So I would put in 60, and then I could go all the way through here and do these until I go and I check my work, and it will let you know if you got them correct or incorrect. So you've got 2 videos today and 2 quizzes over the videos. And next week, we're going to delve even deeper into measuring with protractors. I hope you're ready. This is going to be fun stuff. We are going to be using Zoom, but more for your questions and answers on this new content. And sure thing, I will definitely reteach anything that you need me to reteach. But we're going to be using it more for conference time. So if you don't understand something, it would be great for you to log into Zoom. I will be giving you my Zoom office hours coming out soon. Look for that to be in Google Classroom, and I will also send that to your parents via Remind. If you understand what you're doing and you don't have any questions and you feel really confident about it, you do not have to attend the Zoom meetings. The Zoom meetings are going to be for kids who have questions or want to know a little bit more or can't do something quite right, and I can help you troubleshoot through there. Or if you just want to see some classmate faces, that is totally fine too. All right? I hope you guys have a good weekend. Please stay safe. Please stay healthy. We'll see ya.